Plug in any available unit. Signal 95, reference a LPR hit for a signal 10, northbound US 1 from Plantation Bay. It's going to be on a yellow Penske rental truck.
So in that incident, we had an indication from one of our LPR systems that there was a stolen vehicle traveling northbound into our county on US 1.
37 on scene, felony stop in progress.
Deputies located the truck and conducted a high-risk stop on it.
Turn off the car, stick your hands out the window.
112 Flagler, I'm on scene, that location, I'll do the shutdowns.
Follow all the commands you are given. Step out of the car with your hands off. Sheriff's on a K9 if you run, you'll get it.
They called the driver out of the vehicle who complied and came back to us. He was taken into custody.
Walk backwards until I tell you to stop. Keep walking back.
Gabe, you got anybody over there with you?
I
do not. Copy, no check.
All right.
Occupants of the truck, make yourself known. Do it now.
Seth, what's the brief on occupants?
One.
Yeah,
Just one? Got it.
But we couldn't see into the cab of the truck to make sure that there were no other suspects waiting in the cab to ambush our deputies. So typically in a scenario like that, we get a team together, we approach the vehicle behind maybe a shield or some form of cover, and you just don't really know what you're walking into. So with a drone on scene there, I was able to launch the drone in a matter of seconds.
You want me to fly it? You give me 10 seconds and just hold it. UAV launching now.
The drone can be deployed in probably 30 seconds or less. And look into the cab through the open door and through the windshield, and I was able to clear the majority of the cab. It certainly gives us a more confident vantage point to know that we're not walking into an ambush.
It looks clear, I just can't see the floorboards. If you guys want to go ahead and make an approach, I'll get out of the way.
Copy. Front is clear, we're checking the back.
I've asked our pilots to be creative in the ways that they're using the drones to make their fellow deputies safe. So if there's a way that we can use a drone to get a tactical advantage, to get a vantage point that we wouldn't otherwise get, or to clear an area, a building, a vehicle that we don't have to send our deputies into an unknown situation, I encourage them all the time to use the drones, to be creative about when and where they're deploying it, to make sure we're keeping ourselves and the community safe.